Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshis. Kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading. And this is for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Virgo at yung mga bago po nating mga viewers. Gusto ko lang pong kunin itong pagkakataon na magpasalamat po doon sa mga tao nagpa-atid po ng kanilang bigay po ng condolences para sa amin pong pamilya. Maraming salamat po. Ngayon po, ang gagawin natin ay babasahin po natin yung remaining third and fourth quarter of the year para just to update you kung ano na yung mangyayari. Kasi syempre, nagbabago naman kasi yung energy. Kaya kung yung last time, no, ginawa natin yung buong taon, so let us see kung may changes ba for the third and fourth quarter. Pero bagong lahat, let us just check kung ano yung, kung ba parang general message na gusto mong iparating sa'yo, Virgo. So, it says here, letting go. Archangel Raphael and originality. Okay, so Virgo, ang sinasabi dito is letting go, of course, is learn to let go. Parang matuto ka na, sige na lang, kalimutan mo na, o palayain mo na, o huwag mo na lang intindihin. Parang just put this at the back burner. Kung gabay tipong pwede na makalimutan. Pwede na i-delete. Yung mga tipong ganun. Kasi syempre when you let go, hindi mo na babalikan, di ba? Kung gaba parang tapos na. Wala nang balikan. And Archangel Raphael is says here, provider of healing for mind, body, and spirit. Yeah. Siya yung aking archangel. Si Archangel Raphael. No? This is all to do with pag-heal, no? Ng iyong isip, katawan, at yung kaluluwa. Kasi para nga, for you to let go, you have to heal first, no? Kailangan ma-heal ka para madali para for you to let go. And originality, it says here, bless your own trials. Siyempre, pagiging original is, alam mo yung ikaw lang. Ikaw yung nag-umpisa. Nasa iyo yung, kung gaba parang, naisip mo to. It is your idea. It is all about your creativity. Kaya kung gaba pinapakita mo yung originality mo na ikaw lang ang nakapag-isip nito, na ikaw yung, o nag-umpisa nito, ikaw yung gumawa ng paraan para mag-trend to, diba, sa social media, something like that. Kaya, isipin mo yon. What is it that you wanted to start, Virgo, doing? Para masabi talaga na, ikaw yung nag-origin nito ikaw yung nag-umpisa, ikaw yung original nito Ikaw yung nag-create, ikaw yung gawa o nag-compose o nag-isip nitong project na to. Ganon yung dating think of something that would really be original, no? Wala pang katulad. Okay, that would be the word. Wala pang katulad. Ikaw lang ang nag-umpisa na magkaroon ng ganito. So ngayon, titingnan natin yung anong lalabas sa iyong third quarter and fourth quarter of the year. Virgo. Oops. We have the Emperor, the Fool, and Temperance, the Ace of Pentacles, Four of Cups, and the Hermit. Okay, Virgo. So, ang sinasabi dito, no, sa pagdating ng third quarter, which is which is July, August, September. So, that's the third quarter. Ang July mo, this is the Emperor. I think you are really on your kunggaba power pagpasok ng July, Virgo, kasi this is kunggaba exercising, pagdating sa career, money, and work. Okay, ine-exercise mo dito talaga yung authority mo, yung power mo, yung ability mo to rule, to lead, no? Kasi ang Emperor is somebody na talagang determinado na ma-achieve yung gusto niyang mangyari. Siya ay in a way controlling na person, which is you have that characteristics, Virgo, no? You want to control things. Kung gawa mangyari your way, naaayon sa iyong plano. This is basically a boss, no? Isang may katungkulan. Kung gawa parang pinapakita nga dito na ako yung mas nakakaalam sa iyo, o ako'y binigyan ng karapatan para mamuno, no, sa trabaho na ito or sa gagawin na ito. Kaya kung gawa, you are exercising that power within you, no, na talagang alam mong capable ka to really do what you need to do. Kung inano ng boss mo na okay, ganito ang gagawin mo, ito yung kailangan ma-achieve mo, etc. Ganyan. Gagawin mo yon with all determination and dedication. Okay? Gagawin mo siya. Pagdating ng August, what you have thought about, talagang i-execute mo to without any hesitation at all. No? Talagang sige, I will do it. Yung talagang, yung energy level mo mataas. Kung gaba, ito yung hinihingi sa akin, I will do it. Ito na yon. No? Yung kung gaba, yung excitement na andun sa'yo. You wanted really to show people that, yeah, I could be very flexible. Na pag sinabi mong ngayon, yeah, gagawin ko na ngayon. O meron na tayong kailangan i-present, yeah, I have something. Meron ako. You will be the Fool. Kung gaba, this is an energy coming from an Aries. Now, this Emperor is energy coming from a Taurus. Okay? So, yung energy na to is really showing people that you can lead, no? Being an energy of an Aries. You are a born leader, no? Pinanganak ka para mamuno. May capability ka to lead. So that is what you're trying to say. Na I can and I will. pagdating ng September, you will be, kung gaba parang magi-slow down ka a bit to temper yourself para balansehin yung sarili mo, to make sure everything is in balance of what's happening with you and what is yung nagiging output nung ginagawa mo. Kasi syempre you know that it is needed, no? Kailangan yung balance na yon. Hindi pwedeng merong nakakahigit. Everything has to be in harmony with all that is concerning itong, sabihin natin, project, sales, work, whatever, kung ano man to, business, whatever. Kailangan balanse, kailangan maayos. No, yun yung nakikita mo na dapat meron o ma-achieve mo o magawa rin, o kung gaba parang check and balance, yung tipong ganon. So the third quarter is really something of knowing exactly who you are, what are your capabilities are, and giving your best by making sure that everything is in balance. So okay yung third quarter mo, no, in terms of work. Now yung last quarter is October, November, December. Okay, so yung October natin, Virgo, is the Ace of Pentacles. Ito, kilalang kilala mo to. Energy nyo to because you know that new beginning is coming in. Panibagong pag-umpisa pagdating sa pag-earn ng pera. Kung paano dadami pa yung pera mo. Ito yung umpisa na gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo. Maybe because you have shown, no? Pinakita mo naman dito nung third quarter na, yeah, I can do this. I am very good at what I'm doing. Kaya nakikita mo na, posible talaga na magkaroon ako ng additional, maybe an income na raise, no? Kung ba tinaasan yung sweldo mo, o you're given a bonus, or maybe yung tipong, if you're on sales, yung ba sa sales ka, may commission. Something like that. Talagang, kung ba, madadagdagan yung kaperahan mo. Now, pagdating ng November, there was something that's being offered to you. Okay? And you are thinking about this. Pinag-iisipan mo. May offer sa'yo. Something that you are, kung ba parang, hindi naman totally hesitating, but medyo, kung ba parang hindi ka pa ganun ka-solve. Hindi mo agad mag-jump, or you won't jump on this right away. Nakikita mo yung opportunity, but for you parang hindi ko kailangang magmadali pagdating sa desisyon. Ito yun parang let me think about this. Ganun yung dating itong November. An offer for you to do something different from what you're doing right now. And December, you will continue to do that. This is your energy, Virgo, the Hermit. Talagang pag-iisipan mo tong offer na to. No? Pag-iisipan mo ng matindi, matagal. Kasi nga, gusto mong sigurado ka dito sa iyong gagawin. Kung gagawin mo to. You wanted to have that wisdom within you to really see kung talaga bang mamimiss ko tong opportunity na to, or can I just parang let it go, or do I need to grab on this opportunity and work on it. Okay, kasi remember, there is this letting go. Kasi kung ba parang for you, this is something that is in a way attractive din naman siya, no, for you to consider. But this time, you are really using your knowledge, your logic, you know, you're exercising patience, research, yung ganon. Kasi parang, ang ano mo nga is, hindi ko kailangan magmadali sa pagdedesisyon na ito. Maybe it's really, it involves a lot of changes pagdating dito sa offer na to. Okay, so, kaya, matagal yung pag-iisip. Hindi agad. Okay, but definitely what you wanted to achieve is to get the right decision, which I think you will do. Okay, makukuha mo yun, magagawa mo yun, kasi gano'n naman ang Virgo di ba? Talagang matagal kumilos, matagal magdesisyon, matagal mag-isip, pero at the end of the day, they are sure na ito yung dapat gawin. Because they have really did their assignment. Kung gawa tipong nag-research, inalam, nagtanong pa ulit, hindi pa nasaya, nagtanong na naman, yung ganon. Okay, so nothing to worry. I would find your last quarter to be something that is promising, kasi nga may new beginning tayo pagdating sa kaperahan, but it is an offer, that's something that needs to be thought about deeply. No, yung offer na ibinibigay sa iyo is pag-iisipan mo mabuti kung dapat mong kunin itong opportunity na to pagdating sa work, money, or career. Okay? Now, pagdating naman sa love, Virgo, July, you will be somebody na talagang, sabihin na natin na maybe you will meet somebody na older than you, maybe a father figure already, or a boss na tipong maraming alam, no? Maraming nasasabi, o mataas na yung kanyang wisyo. Somebody na talagang established na, or this could be a father figure nga, sabi ko, na mamimit mo or makakausap mo July. Now, pagdating ng August, you will feel that you wanted to take that leap of faith. Gusto mo talagang, sige, subukan ko to. I don't mind taking the risk. Parang let me try. Ganun Ganun yung pakiramdam mo is, parang ang lakas ng loob mo na, sige, gagawin ko to. Yung hindi ako kakabahan o hindi ko na pag-iisipan, parang sige na, gagawin ko lang. Out of the blue. Ganun. But pagdating na September, which is your month, no? I mean, half of the August and half of the September is your month, your birthday month. So, ano mo rin yung sarili mo ite-temper mo, no? Babalansin mo yung sarili mo. Teka muna, medyo masyado yata ako nag-rush no August. Parang binigla ko ba yung sarili ko? Teka muna. Kung gawa parang mag-hold back ng a bit. Just to check yourself na tama pa ba itong ginagawa ko with the temperance energy, no? So, this is really something na talagang you wanted to make sure na tama nga yung gagawin mo, o yung pakiramdam mo na gusto mong itry o subukan itong person na to, itong relationship na papasukan mo o ino-offer sa'yo na love. Okay? Now, pagdating nung last quarter, October, you see a new beginning with this relationship. No? Yung nakikita mo na mukhang maganda kasi you find this person to be somebody na stable, may offer sa'yo, you feel na madadagdagan pa yung pera mo pagdating dito sa tao na to, kasi meron na siya kung gaba parang additional ito sa akin, kaya you find this to be a new beginning. Pero yung offer of love na pinipresent nitong tao na to, pinag-iisipan mo talaga mabuti. You are really thinking long and hard kung talaga bang siya na ba? Gusto ko ba talaga to? Kasi it keep reminding you of what happened sa past, no? Yung mga nangyari nung nakaraan. Na somehow, parang it serves to be a reminder for you na, oh, ito na ba? Sure ka na ba? Baka maulit muli yung nangyari noon. Baka magkamali ka na naman. Yung mga ganong eksena. Okay? So, talagang this time, kung gawa parang natuto ka eh. You've learned your lessons, no? When it comes to relationship. That's why, sa December, talagang iisipin mo't mabuti about this offer of love. Should I take it? Siya na ba talaga yung mamahalin ko? Siya na ba yung talagang nasa puso ko? Gusto ko na ba to? Sure na ba ako sa tao na to? Magiging loyal ba talaga to sa akin? Hindi ba niya ako sasaktan? Yung ganong mga tanong. Kasi kung ba you're trying to see yourself, no? Magiging okay ba kaming dalawa? Kasi seryoso ng pag-iisip to eh, no? The Hermit is all about seriousness in life. Hindi mo isiseklude yung sarili mo. Ayaw mong magsarili for a while para mag-isip, 'di ba? Not unless napaka-serious nung isang bagay na iniisip mong 'yun. Kaya mo ginagawa yan is talagang para ma-clear yung pag-iisip mo na, oo, ito na yung dapat kong gawin, o ito yung dapat kong i-consider sa tao na to. Diba? Kaya talagang magiging ano ka eh, kung gawa parang this December, you rather be by yourself to think about this offer, this love offer. Okay? Para sure, maybe pagdating ng pasok ng 2025, you already have that decision to make. Okay? So, ang last quarter mo is really something that would give you that energy of a new beginning. Pero syempre, you have to be very cautious of what it brings to you. Maganda nga yung ino-offer sa'yo. Pero, sigurado na ba ako? Okay? So, yun yung gagawin mo for the last quarter of the year. Okay? Just really thinking and trying to know more about yourself. Kung ano na yung kung papasa na ba tong tao na to sa akin o hindi. Okay? So, kung kanino mang energy itong nakuha natin, Virgo, I hope na nakatulong ito ng malaki sa iyo. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na to. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.